Fifth Axis offers a variety of work holding to fit virtually any job. Visit our 3D Compatibility tool to preview products on your machine. Select the make and model of your machine, and we'll tell you which rock lock bases are compatible. Next, add top tooling. You can filter by part size and work holding type. Choose an option and see how each tool will fit on your setup. Download the complete model in over 60 native formats for all your programming needs. Import the file directly into your CAD software. The file will include separate models for the top tooling and your machine table. Utilize these files to verify toolpaths and avoid collisions. Load up your machine and start making more parts per cycle. Fifth Axis. Work holding evolved.